Security has always been a priority for healthcare facilities, but in wake of the mass shootings, administrators realize there is room for improvement.
UK HealthCare and UK Police investing more than $5 million in security enhancements. Georgia MacArthur joins us now live from UK Hospital with more on how patients and staff will be kept safe. Georgia.
Hey Marvin and Imani, phase 1 is already underway. Now, UK spokesperson tells me that there will be enhanced screening at all the emergency entrances. Now, in the wake of the mass shooting at a Tulsa hospital, UK says it has to do better and address gaps in its safety measures.
It already started implementing 24-hour police officers in our emergency departments, as well as starting to implement a lot of the blue phones that we've put in the healthcare parking lots.
The recent series of mass shootings, including the incident that left 4 people dead at a Tulsa hospital, is driving efforts to enact new safety protocols for facilities in the Bluegrass.
Anytime you see a school shooting or a workplace violence incident, it always brings it home to you because you look at that could happen to you or your organization.
Hospitals are on the front lines whenever there is a mass shooting, but whenever those areas are targets, the staff has to put in motion protocols to not only protect their patients, but also themselves.
Adding additional cameras, metal detectors, access control on the doors, as well as we'll start changing the flow of our patrons coming to the hospital and having dedicated entrances.
The added safety measures include expanding some things already in place.
Implementing the blue emergency phones that you see around campus. We've started putting them in the remote parking lots that our healthcare employees park at, as well as we've started to increase our lighting.
UK's police chief says they are researching better ways to make the hospital a weapons-free facility and looking at strategic efforts to increase police presence.
You're also going through a screening process to make sure that you don't have any prohibited items that we don't want brought into the healthcare facility.
And once the staff is trained, Chief Monroe says they will start stress testing, which means that they will assess their knowledge and their response. Live and outside of downtown Lexington, Georgia MacArthur, Fox 56 News.